Hi, I'm Kevin Moran, and my €1.50 book for World Book Day 2026 is called The Doomsday Club Shapeshifters. If you're looking for something similar to read, there's a few books I'd suggest. One would be Monsters of Rookhaven by Pádraig Kenny, which is an amazing book filled with spooky atmosphere and monsters and a mystery. Another would be Con of the Dead by Dave Rudden, which is similar to the Doomsday Club in that it's got Celtic mythology and it's got horror and spookiness. Another would be Into the Witchwood by Maeve MacDonald, which is a really great book that has loads of atmosphere, adventure and danger. Then there's my favourite series from when I was young, a classic, the Goosebumps series. There's loads of those you can read. They're full of horror, they're full of humour. And if you don't like one of them, you can always pick up another because there's like 100 of them. And finally, of course, you could try the first book in the Doomsday Club series, which is called, surprisingly enough, The Doomsday Club.